In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your Instagram username. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app, then tap right here at your profile picture to go to your profile page. Then tap at three lines and select Settings and Privacy. After that, go to Account Center, then Profiles. Then you're gonna choose a profile in which your Instagram account is connected. As you can see, the first profile has Facebook and Instagram account linked to that profile. I'm just gonna open it up, and that's where we can easily find username. If we tap on it, it will show us usernames for both of my Facebook and Instagram accounts. As you can see, I got different usernames here. And if we would like to change our Instagram username, we just need to tap right here, and then we'll be able to change it. Just tap right here and then just remove current one and then enter new one. Keep in mind that changing your username on Instagram will also change your Instagram account address. Once you are done with that, tap at Done to continue and to save the changes. That's how you can easily change your Instagram username.